Hi everyone, it's Lee from Supercharged Food. Today I would love to give you a healthy hack on how to make homemade baked beans. Instead of the ones that you buy from the supermarket that are full of sodium and sugar, these are super easy to make and they taste really great, and they're also healthy for you as well. If you're in isolation and you feel like getting into the kitchen and doing a bit of cooking, then this is the ideal recipe to start with. I'm going to run you through some of the ingredients that are needed for this recipe. I've got some cherry tomato passata, but any kind of passata will do. Delicious mustard. Some tamari if you have any, or soy sauce, or Worcestershire sauce if you have that. You can use either of those. Some chopped garlic. I don't have fresh at the moment, so I'm just using the one from the fridge. And cannellini beans for all that protein and fibre and calcium and iron, really good for you. Add some beautiful maple syrup if you want it to be a little bit sweeter. You can, alternatively, you can use coconut sugar if you want to as well. And everyone's favorite, apple cider vinegar. So first things first, I'll put it onto a medium heat, and I'm going to spray some olive oil into the pan, into a saucepan. You can do it in a fry pan as well if you want to. And then we're going to throw in about a teaspoon of garlic and give it a stir. Next step, just add about a tablespoon of mustard and give it a stir. And next pop in all of your other ingredients. So we're going to use about a good glug of tamari and about half a cup of passata. About a tablespoon of maple syrup, and give that a stir as well, and throw those in too. I'm using cannellini beans, but you can use any kind of beans, navy beans, pinto beans, whatever you like. And then lastly, just add in a bit of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon, and stir. At this stage, just let it cook on a medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. You want the flavors to become really strong and concentrated. You can also add at this stage, if you want to, some paprika. If you like things hot, you can add some chili, whatever sort of flavorings you like. I'm just going to keep mine plain today. And the sauce is thickening up beautifully. Just give it a last minute stir, and now is a good time to pop your bread into the toaster